Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking the headlight out of a 2016, right bro? 2016?
Yeah.
A 2016 Hyundai Veloster Rally Edition. We are upgrading the main headlight, which is right on this, right here. Shoot. Right there. There you go, it's right there. So we're upgrading the Veloster headlight, and we're going to be using we're going to install an adapter piece using H11. In order to do that, we have to get really inside the housing, so it's kind of limited right here in the area. So we're going to have to take the headlight out. So here's how the headlight looks like, and basically we're going to have to take out 4 bolts. So the first bolt is right here, the front. Second bolt is right here on the top. Third bolt is inside here in the wheel well. I think it's right there. There you go. And then the fourth one is actually like inside right here when you open up the bumper. So you're gonna have to remove those bolts. Then you're gonna pull and unseat the headlight, pull it towards you, then pull up. So we're gonna do that right now. Second bolt right here. Third one is like right there. They're all the same size, 10 millimeter. Yep. Okay, so now that the bolt in the wheel well is removed, you're gonna pull out the bumper cover right here. So you're gonna pull it. There you go. And the bolt is like right there. As you guys see, right in the middle of the video. I'm shine the light on you. So once you remove this bolt, you're gonna pull it towards you, unseat the headlight towards you, then pull up. So the air is kind of tight, so I use an extender. Oh, where's the area? There's the camera. There you go. So I'm using the extender, the socket extender, so I could unscrew the bolt. So you can see it's getting loose. This is like the way to do it without taking the bumper off and all that crazy stuff. Woo! It's a long bolt. Okay, so it's coming off, guys. The bolt is out, bottom bolt out. Okay, so we're gonna unseat it now. Pull it towards you, then pull up. It's like how these Hyundai lights work. Pull up. Okay guys, so I'll take this out real quick. So this is your main harness for your headlight. This is the main one. Take it out. You've successfully unseated and removed your headlight. So this is the passenger headlight for the Veloster. And as you can see right here, we've already installed the high beam for this car. And we're going to be upgrading the main headlight beam for the Veloster. So here's the area where the passenger front headlight is seated. So remember the areas we showed you from that point of the headlight to the inner bolt located inside here, to the wheel well bolt right in here, and where it's seated right here in this area, you pull out and pull up because it goes in here, and then the other bolt, the first bolt that's right here in the front. So here's how it looks like right there when you take the headlight out. So here is the backside part of the Veloster headlight. Here is the low beam area. This is where the low beam seats. So we're going to use a conversion wire for the H11B right here, and we're going to connect it to the H11 that you see here. And then these two connector ends, we're going to be putting it and connecting those wires into this piece right here, which seats the 11B. So we're going to do that to convert it, and then it should seat properly and work. So we're going to remove the plate you see right here with the Phillips, and then we're going to do the wiring. So the room's kind of tight in here, so I don't know if I can do it, but I'm just going to do this first and then make it work. So hold on. If you guys are looking to get that converter wire, let us know. We can get it for you. DM us at Ferb400 on social media and Instagram, YouTube, whatever, and we'll be glad to get that part for you. Okay? So all you Veloster owners who need that, let us know. Or if you need it installed, hit us up, and we'll schedule you in, and we'll help you. So no problem. So we are taking out the second screw you see right here. Second bolt is out, second screw is out, now the last screw. So you can take the plate out and install the wiring. Okay, the one's out. Alright, so we remove the plate from the housing, and then we're going to do a circuit test. We're going to install the wiring first to check to see how it's working on the plate. So, one second. So you're going to connect. So next, you're going to get the wires. Connect the red to the left side. This one you see right here. So you're going to connect this one into the left side, right there. Hold on. Make sure you plug this back into your headlight where you removed it, the main connector plug. Okay, so I'm going to have Mark turn the car on real quick. Now we're going to make sure we have the right polarity. So turn on the car. So we do have the correct polarity, as we followed the necessary steps that you saw earlier. So the circuit on the LED bulb that's going through the current is correct. And we are now getting the correct polarity for the low beam. So now we're going to install it back in and place everything back, and we're good. We're placing the bolts back and using the Phillips to mount the low beam headlight plate you see right here back to the housing, because we installed the adapter wiring for it. So once that's done, we're going to seat the new LED headlight into here. Oh. Here. There we go. Okay, all good. Now it's time for us to connect it back to the main connector plug of the headlight. Right here. And we connect it back. Then we're going to seat it back. But before we do that, we want to make sure it works. It turns on properly. So I'm going to have Mark turn again, Mark. Make sure and double check that it works. Projector. Check it out. Looks much more brighter. I will go to before shot that we did first day of us doing this. And now here's the after. Yeah. So you guys see the tab right there. Once that goes in, time to put the bolts back. So if you need the adapter wiring for the H11B to regular H11 wiring, we have it right here. So if you guys need it, message us and we'll be glad to get that sent out to you. Or if you need it installed, hit us up. We can schedule and book you in. But this is how it looks like. And let us know. Hold on, where is it? There it is. Hand tighten it first. Right. There we go. Make sure all bolts are tight. And there you have it, guys. We've placed back and installed the front passenger side headlight of the Veloster. We're gonna do we're gonna do the same thing to the driver's side, and we should be done. So if you guys enjoyed our content in this installation video, make sure you guys smash that like button, share it, follow us on our YouTube channel if you guys haven't yet at Firm 400. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.